Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW diesel sport. Very impressive condition, finished in white. The upgraded diamond cut 5-spoke alloy wheels, rear privacy glass to the rear park distance control, so it's still in impressive condition throughout. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the parcel shelf. It's the rare 3-door. Electric windows and mirrors. Auto headlights. Very cold climate control. So 62,456 miles. It's got the service history on the iDrive. It's got the different ways of driving it. Got Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, DAB radio, satellite navigation, park distance control, aux and a USB, 6-speed gearbox. At DJH for full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.